Okay, 6.2, addition and subtraction of vectors. When we want to add two vectors, we put them successively after each other. Let's say this is A. Okay, this is vector A, and here is vector B. So A is to the north and B is to the east. If I want to add them, I put them successively after each other. I take B, and the beginning of the B should be at the end of the A. So I just draw it same magnitude, same direction. So basically this is B. You can move the vector anywhere you want. So this is equivalent to that. Just move that parallelly to this one. And then from the beginning of the first vector to the end of the second vector. So this resultant will be A plus B. So I can use the Pythagorean theorem if you have magnitude of A and B to find the resultant A plus B. So here is another example. This is A, B, you put it successively after each other, and then from the beginning of first one to the end of second one. Make sure the vector, okay, are tail to tail. Here for the subtracting of the vectors. Let's say here is your vector is A, and this vector is B. And then you want to say, what is A minus B? Vector A minus vector B. So, you know, we can write that a vector A plus minus the negative of the vector. This expression is the same as that one. So it means first I need to find the negative B. Negative B vector is here. This is negative B. Now I'm just taking vector A. I put the vector negative B successively after that. So here is negative B. So this resulting of that is going to be A plus negative B. And you know, A plus negative B is the same as A minus B. So to minus the vector first, you need to find the negative of the vector that you're subtracting that, and then add it to the first vector. Here, adding parallel vector. If two vectors are parallel, let's say here is A and here is B. To add them, you can say that you successively add that, put them after each other, and you just add the magnitude of that. So this resulting is going to be A plus B. So you're just adding, say this is 2 meters per second, this is 3 meters per second. So addition is going to be 2 plus 3, it's going to be 5 meters per second. You just simply add it. And if you want to subtract, again, this is A, this is B. You want to find B minus A. So first, you know what to do. You find negative A. So, and then you put negative A here. The resultant is going to be this, going to be the subtraction. So simply, if let's say this is 2 meters per second, here is 3 meters per second. It's just going to be 3 minus 2, which is 1. So it's simply, if they are parallel but in an opposite direction, you just simply minus them. So of course, a vector minus itself give you a 0 vector. Make sure this is a vector. We have vector 0. You don't put 0. The 0 is just a number. Addition and subtraction of a vector are going to be a vector. That's why you put a 0 above the 0 like a vector sign. Vector 0 means the magnitude of that is 0 and no specific direction. Now, when you add two vector, you can, it has a commutative property. It means vector u plus v is the same as vector v plus u. If the 3 vector is adding, you can add the first 2 and then the result, you can add it to the last one. Or you can add the 2 last one and add the result to the first one. A vector plus a 0 vector give you the vector back, or 0 plus a vector will give you the vector back. Okay, so here is the addition and subtraction of vector worksheet. You can do question number 2 and question number 3.